Yes, ma'am. I said the way you are carry our car reach this. Today we are going to be treating this spiral. I'll be using this yellow size 3 sanded and black. I'm having my fishing line here, 0.3, and my cutter. So let's start now. So you put your fish line or your thread inside the needle. So you now stop the fish line. You use one bead to stop it. You tie. I tie 3 times. Then I'll be taking 5 black. I'll be taking 5 black. You let it go down. Let it go down. Then you now take one more. Okay, 5. Then you take another 1 black. Then you take 4 yellow. Let me see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. 1 black, 4 yellow. You let it go down. You hold it at the center. And you see, don't let them come together. They should not come together. Hold it like this. Then you now take your needle to this place. Then you now include the black. Then you take another black. Then you take 4 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to do this spiral. This is what we are doing. But I'm using 2 colors. Just to show you, you can use 1 color, you can use 2 colors. Depends on what you want. If I should use 1 color, it might not be clearer, and I want you to see it very well. That is why I'm using 2 colors. So you now pass through. You leave this one. Then you now pass through this one. Then you now take the. Let me see. So you take 1. Then you now take 4 of this. Very easy to do. So everything will come here, but we are holding only this black. This black will be coming together with the black. So the yellow will come like this. So we now go, you leave 1. You are taking this one now. If you can see what I'm doing. Then you now pull. that is forming. Take one black, take 4 yellow, 1 2 3 4. Let it go down. Then you now go to the next one. Don't forget the black that we pick is going with the black. And you see it's forming. And you take one black, 1 2 3 4. Let it go down. And you see, then you now take this black together with the black. You know we are using 6. This one has gone with this one. I want you to see. So this one is the available one. Making 6. Make sure it doesn't hook your hand. Let's see. Then you now pull it down. Kindly subscribe to my channel. There is a lot of interesting videos coming up. I have a lot of design I want to show you. Can you see? As it is, you can use it for earring. So when you continue, this is what is going to give you as bangle. Because I use one color here, it's pretty. And this one is even more prettier, 2 colors. I love it. So interesting. I love it too. Kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, please drop it on the comment box. And if you want to call me, my number is there. So many people have been calling me. Shout out to all my fans, to all my followers, to all my sub. Thank you to all my customers, both online and offline. And if you want to buy beading, at bulk, dozen price, we will deliver it to you. We deliver around Lagos, Ogun State. Let's see. So this is how you continue. tight. Then now introduce our hook. So we're going to introduce the hook.